Welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you how to do arbitrage with your Skrill app. So Skrill most times is an alternative to PayPal. So we're going to use two platforms, the Skrill and the Binance P2P. So I'll be uploading a full video about Binance P2P on my next video, so everyone here has full clarity about how it works. So if you don't have a Skrill account, you can sign up. If you don't have a Skrill account, you can sign up, and let me just pause this. So if you don't have a Skrill account, you can sign up, and so let me deposit. To deposit, all you need to do is that you go on. Most times you don't need so much verification, but this is just my advice. I just started depositing, and in just a few yesterday I've been able to deposit through. Okay, so let me show you how you can use it for your Binance Arbitrage. So guys, let's take a look at my bank app, and let's see. Okay, so yesterday I bought. I had a balance of over 15,333 naira. After buying $10, I was left with 10,6113. Now let me go to my calculator. Let me go to my calculator. Okay, let's say that's like, because Skrill charges you 2.5% for every of your transaction. So the first transaction I did was $10. So I was charged $0.25. So that was $10.25. Okay, so let's note this also. All right. So the first thing is that my balance was 15,333 naira. So after I got $10, my balance. This was my balance, 10,600, and let's say minus 10,600. So I want to tell you the rate. So this was the rate I was charged. This was the amount I was charged for $10.25. So let's divide it by $10.25 to know how much that my bank charged me per $1. So my bank actually charged me $4.60. Okay, so I also added $5 for the same $4.60. Okay, let's go back to my Skrill now. So like I said, all you need to do, guys, all you need to do is sign up on Skrill, and you can use the Binance P2P to sell off. Okay, let's go to the Binance P2P now. Okay, let's go to the Binance P2P. Okay, so this is the Binance P2P. So how do I sell? Remember that all you need to do is, when you sign up on Skrill, upload your ID, verify your account, verify your bank account, verify. It takes you just a few minutes. You can upload your details and all that stuff, guys. Verify. Okay, I don't know whether I was logged out from Binance, but let me just see. Okay, so I will just try to log in. So okay, so I will just just log in. Just a moment, I will take you through my P2P. All right. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So this first site, guys, to locate Binance P2P, we can go to P2P trading. This side here called P2P trading, just click it straight up. Okay, so Once you have your funds on Skrill, the first thing to go is you change this side showing NGN at the close to the funnel. Click on it, you change it to USD. Okay, USD. Okay, change it to USD. Remember that when you are funding with your Skrill, one thing that you must take note of always, if you want to profit more from it, I was trying to test for the purpose of this video. Okay, so deposit up to like above $50, because to locate Skrill now, just go on this funnel side and click on Skrill, this side showing Skrill, and click on, you can write the amount of dollar that I want to buy, but let's just see some stuff. Okay, now look at the rates here, guys. So remember that $1 it's selling for let's say 1 USDT is selling for 530. Okay, selling for 530, and most of the highest rate you can see on it is 1.1, 1.05, or let's see. Okay, 1.06. I'm very mathematical about it. Now the higher you buy or the higher you sell, let's just so the highest you see so far for transaction will be 1.1 or 1.08. Okay, so that's basically how their charges are. That means if you depositing $100 from your Skrill, you'll be charged, that you have to divide the amount by this 1.08. So if you're depositing let's say $1,000, the rate varies, guys. So you can see here this guy is selling for 1.0, but just between, let's just pick 1.1 as the highest fee here. Okay, so 1.1 to go here. If we're depositing $100, we'll click on, let's say $500. We are depositing $500, so we'll click on 1.1. So this is the amount that we are going to get, the amount of USDT we are going to get. Now let's say you times it times the rate, which is 530. That means if you sell it, that's like you have 2,400 and 900. Let's just say 241. Okay. Now let's use 146. Remember that you're getting $500, and let's say you times it by times your bank rate, which is 460. So you still make profits, guys. So Skrill still works. So if another way you can make profit from it, guys, is that you can fund it on platforms that don't charge this rate. If you understand the binary.com, you can fund it through your Skrill and sell via their DP2P. So if you check my other videos on DP2P, you understand. So let's say you just fund, and remember that Skrill charges you 2.5% for every of your transfers. Okay, so always mark that. So instead of you selling for 1.01 per this, but remember that dollar here is sold for 530. Okay, 530. So if you're getting dollar for 460 from your bank and selling here for 530, remember that take plus or minus, you're going to be charged like 5%. Let's say I'm just adding it with this one, though it's not up to one. This is not up to 2%. Let's just say you've been the first, because when you are transferring from your Skrill to the person's email, you'll be charged 2.5%. Okay, I'm telling you this because most people don't tell people the full stuff. Once people get there, they get to stumble. Then don't fund small fund. If you don't have up to at least $50, don't fund your Skrill, because you won't see good rates here. So let me show you something, guys. Let's say we want to get $10 worth of Skrill. I want to show you the rates that you are going to see. Look at the rate. The rates are not too high. Look at the rate. The rates are now too high. Look at the 1.28. So the rate is higher when you're funding with your Skrill. So let me show you how to buy. Okay. Let's say I want to buy this one, but I will not be in profit if I buy for 1.3. Okay. Some people are even selling for 2.0. Okay, so you have to look at the rate. Don't just say that you want to sell, because this amount that is showing here will be divided. If you divide the dollar that you want to get, like let's say you want to transfer worth of $500. This means that your $500 will be divided by this 1.2. The amount is the amount of USDT that you're going to see in your account. So don't get it twisted. So if you are transferring 100 USDT, does not mean that the amount that will land in your account will be 100 USDT. Okay, so that's why I gave you this simple calculation that look, just take a look at. Look, let's just use $100. So let's say $100. I got $100 for $460 from my bank, and that's 46,000. So I go on Skrill. I'm going to be charged. This is 46,000. That's for $100. I'm going to be charged $1.1. Okay, so let's say we have 90.9. Okay, remember that I got the $100 for 46,000. So 90.9 is the amount of USDT I'm going to get. Okay, let's just use 90. Now multiply it times your 530, which is the rate at which you can sell your USDT. So this is the amount. So you look at it that the profit is good when you have a higher card limit. So you're going to make profit, but the profit is basically not more than 3,000. Okay, if you are using the $100 transaction limit. Okay, so if you have cards like the access cards, like if you're in my training program and you get access to cards that can do up to $1,000, $3,000 month spend limit. So imagine that you make up to 2,500 in just $100. So if you have up to, just imagine that you can spend up to $3,000 or $2,000. That means you're going to make up to 54,000. Okay, just using Binance P2P and Skrill. Okay, so let me show you how you can buy. So for those of you that don't understand P2P, this side is the buy side, the sell side. So as it's like this, you just click on buy. Okay, all right, so you just click on buy. So once you click on buy, ensure that you verified your Skrill account. So once you click on buy, it will show you the person's email address. You copy it, you go on your Skrill. I want to end this video and past the time for it. You go on your Skrill and you click this side called send. Okay, so Skrill to Skrill. So you send it via email. Okay, so you paste the email here. Let's say you already have an email address that you want to paste, or you have the person's phone number, or let's say Azumo Precious, or let's say emperuvia@gmail.com. So most times it will be tested whether the person have this email actually exists on Skrill. Okay, so I'm just giving an assumption. So you say continue. Okay, so look at, you now write the amount. Okay, so that's basically how it works, guys. So you now send funds to that account, guys. So that's it. So with this you can make profit. And if you don't understand this video, you can ask questions on the comment section. If you have used Skrill and it works for you, you can comment your experience and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can share this with people that are doing arbitrage and how they can actually use Skrill. Don't forget, don't fund small amounts, and verify your account to the end before transacting on Skrill. Okay, then you need to use the Binance P2P to send, and this is the way to set it. You change it to USD and you're using USDT. Okay guys, if you have questions, I'll just say bye for now. See you on the best side of life. And by the way, I have a full arbitrage class which I teach different forms of arbitrage, including P2P, how you can use different platforms to do arbitrage. So our arbitrage class is a guaranteed 100K per month income. So you can join the class. We just have 5 more slots left. So if you want to join the class, it's $30 and just $30. So don't come to, I don't have, if you have questions you can ask in the comment section, but I only respond to people on my inbox, my WhatsApp chats, people that are ready to take the course. So it's a $30, 15,000 Nigerian currency. So you just miss it. WhatsApp me on 0816 498 5309. So that's 0816 498 5309. Okay, I'll also drop it on the comment section. So you WhatsApp me and say I want to get the course. I'll send you my payment details and add it to our general group. And we also have a 90-day support. Okay, so we'll also give you update as we go. I also show you how to get a card that has up to 3,000 month spend limit. Yes, and show you how to use it for arbitrage. Okay guys, see you on the best side of life. I love you all.